Welcome to Wisdomy, where we empower your future through smart education. Imagine this, a valuable certification costing just a few $100, helping you secure a remote position earning over $70,000 a year. Does that sound too good to be true? Well, stick with us because in today's video, we are going to unveil 5 online certifications that are genuinely worth your investment in 2025. At Wisdomy, we have observed that while many online certificates offer limited benefit, there are a select few that are game changers. So, based on our insights and the success stories we have seen, these 5 certifications are distinct. They don't demand years of prior experience or you can say even a college degree to get started. Yet they open doors to lucrative remote careers, significant salary boosts, and complete career shifts for countless individuals. So, before we dive into these incredible opportunities, we at Wisdomy have something special for you. We have developed a complete roadmap to help you transform these certifications into actual job offers, even if you are starting with no experience. It's completely free, and you'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's explore these powerful certifications. Certification number 1, the complete digital marketing course for beginners. Did you know that the digital marketing landscape is rapidly expanding, projected to create over 250,000 new job openings in 2025? Many applicants for these roles lack formal training, and that's precisely where this comprehensive certification shines. This isn't just a single course, it's a meticulously crafted digital marketing education system, constantly updated to remain cutting edge for 2025. Think of it as a condensed digital marketing university degree, focusing purely on practical, immediately applicable strategies. You'll begin by mastering SEO fundamentals, learning to attract organic traffic from search engines. So, we are talking about proven strategies that have helped websites scale from zero to massive monthly visitor counts. From there, you'll delve into paid advertising, gaining expert in both Facebook and Google ads. And this isn't theoretical. You'll learn from actual campaign data, understanding how to create ads that genuinely convert. A unique aspect is learning from certified Google partners who manage substantial advertising budgets, providing invaluable real world insights. So, what makes this particularly relevant for 2025 is its forward thinking approach, including extensive AI marketing strategies updated recently to keep you compliant with evolving Google guidelines, a crucial skill in our AI driven world. So, the e commerce section is also incredibly valuable, teaching specialized strategies for optimizing online stores for maximum visibility and sales. We have seen learners, even those with no prior marketing background, gain more practical knowledge from this course than from months of independent research. Career opportunities. So, the versatility of digital marketing is incredible. With this certification, you could pursue roles like digital marketing specialist. So, commanding salaries between $50,000 to $80,000 annually, SEO consultant earning around $48,000 to $85,000 per year, social media manager or content strategist starting around $45,000 to $70,000 with excellent growth potential. Many graduates also find success in freelancing, charging excellent hourly rates for their expertise. What sets this certification apart is its holistic approach to real world application, including actual campaign examples and also practical exercises. It often boasts high satisfaction rates, lifetime access to materials, and regular updates, making it a gold standard for digital marketing education. Certification number 2 is the Certified Associate in Project Management. So here's a powerful story. We have heard of individuals landing their very first project management job armed solely with this certification, no prior experience needed. Entrepreneur Media even branded among the most in demand professional certifications. What's truly amazing is that you can earn this certification in just a few weeks, typically 3 to 7 weeks, requiring only a high school diploma and about 25 hours of coursework. Yes, it opens doors to positions paying anywhere from $55,000 to over $130,000 annually. This proves you understand the language of a project management. Its relevance in 2025 is growing due to the increasing demand for project management skills across all sectors, especially with the rise of remote and hybrid work models. So, the course covers predictive project management, agile principles, and business analysis, all essential for professional project coordination. The exam consists of 150 questions over 3 hours. According to recent data, the average salary for this project managers in the US is around $75,000 a year. Career progression offers impressive career progression as an assistant project manager, supporting senior PMs and earning $60 to $90,000 annually. Project coordinator, so becoming a vital part of project teams, potentially earning up to $80,000 per year. Project analyst, delving deep into project metrics with salaries ranging from $75 to $110,000 a year. Project administrator, designing and implementing systems for complex projects, earning up to $80,000. Technical project manager, bridging technical teams with business objectives, potentially earning up to $160,000 annually. So these roles span nearly every industry from tech to healthcare and beyond. The investment is modest and the certification is globally recognized. The CAPM also serves as a critical stepping stone to more advanced certifications, providing clear career paths. So it has reasonable maintenance requirements, keeping you engaged with the global community of over 1.8 million PMI certification holders. Then the pro tip is, for an even more powerful combination, consider pairing this with Google's project management certificate on Coursera. While CAPM builds foundational knowledge, Google Certificate offers hands-on experience with real-world projects. Together, they are an unstoppable duo, enabling students to land roles that typically require years of experience. So check out the link in the description for more on this. Certification number 3 is the CompTIA A+ Core 1 and 2. Ever dreamed of working in tech but thought you needed an expensive degree? We have seen individuals with zero experience armed only with this single certification transition into well-paying remote IT positions within just a few months. In 2025, there are millions of unfulfilled IT roles, making this an incredible opportunity. The CompTIA A+ certification is arguably the most accessible gateway into the tech industry. It requires no college degree, no years of experience, and you don't even need to be a math genius. Just a high school diploma and a commitment to learning. A current IT professional emphasized that for many help desk positions, which are often remote and well paying, the CompTIA A Plus is the only requirement. This certification is split into two parts, Core 1 and Core 2. A basic bundle, including exam vouchers and a study guide, costs around $250. This small investment positions you perfectly for the evolving job market, especially with the increase in remote work and the need for IT support for distributed teams. The work itself is more approachable than you might imagine. You'll be assisting people with their devices, from printers to laptops. So this certification offers incredible versatility, allowing you to branch into specialized areas like cybersecurity or data analytics, where salaries can significantly increase. So many companies will even sponsor your additional certifications once you are hired. Furthermore, with many companies hiring internationally, your opportunities aren't limited by geography as long as you speak English. Number 4, it's Salesforce Administrator. Let's talk about a certification that's truly transforming careers globally. The Salesforce as Administrator certification. It's one of the most versatile tech credentials for 2025. What does a Salesforce administrator do? So just think of them as the architects of a company's customer relationship management system, that is the CRM system. They design and implement solutions, bridging business needs with technical capabilities, ensuring efficient operations, that too also within Salesforce. So you'll master 6 core areas with this certification. Platform customization, then becoming the architect who builds custom objects, designs user-friendly layouts, and creates intuitive interfaces. User management, controlling access, setting up security protocols, and fine-tuning permissions for optimal team efficiency. Security protocols, that is mastering data protection, understanding sharing rules, and also you can say establishing secure authentication. Data management, so handling data migration, maintaining clean databases, and implementing reliable backup systems. Workflow automation, that is building processes that save countless hours, creating approval workflows, and setting up intelligent notifications. Analytics, crafting insightful reports, building executive dashboards, and defining meaningful metrics for business growth. Each of these skills builds on the others, creating a comprehensive toolkit that makes you an indispensable asset to any organization. We have heard inspiring stories of individuals with no prior Salesforce experience who diligently studied and quickly gained multiple certifications, significantly boosting their salaries and opening doors to international remote opportunities. Career trajectory. The career path is exciting. Entry level, that is junior Salesforce admin, earning excellent starting salaries typically ranging from $50,000 to $1 lakh annually. Mid-level, that is senior Salesforce administrator, often commanding impressive mid-six-figure incomes up to $2 lakh a year. A key advantage for 2025 is the incredible flexibility this certification offers. So imagine working remotely from anywhere, managing systems for global companies, or choosing stability as in-house administrator. Many certified administrators also opt for consulting or freelancing, setting their own hours and rates. The path to certification is thoughtfully structured through Trailhead, Salesforce official learning platform, and you'll spend approximately 70 hours working through interactive modules, gaining hands-on experience with real-world scenarios. Trailhead also connects you with a supportive community of learners. So, a helpful tip from successful administrators is to use Focus on Force as supplementary resource for real-world application. Certification number 5 is the CVS Health Call Center Customer Service Professional Certificate. How do you transform basic customer service skills into a fulfilling career? So this might be the most practical certification we have seen for 2025. So basically this certificate is a comprehensive program that's reshaping customer service careers. So we have included this because it's a career path accessible to nearly everyone. Unlike highly technical fields, this role often doesn't require specific tech savviness or extensive past experience. In fact, we have seen students under 18 successfully land remote customer service jobs. The foundation of this certification is an extensive deep dive into the psychology and practice of modern customer service, taking around 18 hours. It's like building a house, starting with communication skills, adding time management, topping it with conflict resolution, each component designed to create a complete professional skill set. We have heard from graduates who found it a valuable experience, particularly praising its focus on empathy and understanding the customer's perspective, strengthening existing skills, and developing new ones. So, what makes this program valuable for 2025 is the blend of traditional principles with modern challenges. The coursework includes real world simulations, interactive discussion, and hands on projects that mirror actual workplace scenarios. With over 8 lakh customer service openings in US alone and a median salary close to $40,000, this field is brimming with entry level opportunities. This certification opened doors to an entire ecosystem of customer focused careers, virtual customer support. So, helping people solve problems for anywhere in the world. Remote team leadership, guiding and developing other customer service professionals. Customer service experience design, crafting the very journeys customers take. Quality assurance and training, sharing expertise with new team members. Customer success management, that is proactively ensuring customer satisfaction and driving business growth. The learning experience is structured to accommodate diverse learning styles with video lectures, interactive simulations, and real world case studies. So, the program even includes portfolio building projects to showcase to potential employers. The beauty of this certification lies in its immediate usefulness and practicality. You are learning skills that you can apply right away. So, remember, Wisdomy offers one on one live tuitions. We are so confident in our approach that we offer a free trial class so that you can experience the Wisdomy difference firsthand. So, reach out to us and book your free trial class today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more insights on landing remote jobs in 2025 and alternative education opportunities that truly matter. Thank you for joining us on Wisdomy, empowering your future one smart step at a time.